Hello children, welcome back to our 8th session of the lesson The Hunter and the Doves. This is Sandhya. Come, let's explore few interesting activities to use the different forms of nouns in our sentences. Now, look at your screen. This is your companion activity 5F. I'm sure all of you remember the number names. What are number names? Number names are nothing but the numbers which is written in word format. That is numbers which is written in words. For example, how do you write 10 in numbers 1 and 0, right? Then how do you write the 10 in number names? You will write it as T-E-N, right? So this is just for us to recall. When we describe something in numbers, we are describing words or using adjectives of quantity. Quantity is how many are there, the numbers present. For example, when we say it is a red apple, what are we describing here? We are describing its color of the apple we are mentioning here. Similarly, when I say I have 3 chocolates, what are we describing here? We are describing the quantity. I am telling how many chocolates I have, right? Now we are describing the quantity. Now look at the picture given below. Describe what you see using number names as adjectives in sentences of your own. One has been done for you as an example in the activity 5F. I'm sure all of you will find it very simple. You may take 10 minutes to work on this activity. Open page number 47 of your companion, write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as companion 5F before you begin. Now it's time for you to pause the video and press play once you're done. Now let's move on with another interesting activity. This is your companion activity 5G. Children, you may notice that this activity has to be carried out as a group activity and the context of the activity is your class. But we have slightly modified it to suit your home. You can work on it individually now. Choose any 3 objects from your home. Collect as many as of these objects you can from your home. For example, it can be pen, it can be books, it can be storybooks, it can be pencils, color pencils, crayons, cups, spoons, anything. Now, display all the objects whatever you have collected. Then, tell your parents how many objects you have collected. After that, write sentences to describe the objects you collected and their numbers. For example, if you have collected clips, hair clips, okay, you can write I have 7 colorful clips. Here, the word colorful is describing word, and 7 is a number of clips which you have collected from your home. Similarly, you create sentences for the 3 different objects which you are going to collect. You may take 10 minutes to work on this activity. Open page number 48 of your companion, write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as 5G before you begin. Now it's time to pause the video, press play once you're done. Now that you have completed many activities and learnt about nouns that have plural forms and those which do not have plural forms, Let's quickly summarize what we have learnt so far. Look at your screen now. Two forms of nouns are given here. What are they? Singular and plural. You need to give 3 examples for each in the given table. Write singular forms in their corresponding plural forms also. Open page number 80 of your studio and write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity as summary activity before you begin. You may take 5 minutes to complete the same. With that, we have come to the end of this session. I shall meet you all in our next session with an interesting project time activity. Till then, bye.